Hi, I'm Kaylin, and I'm a student reporter for the National World War II Museum's electronic field trip on manufacturing victory. I'm here in the Arsenal of Democracy exhibit that focuses on the important work from everyday people on the American home front in World War II. During our manufacturing electronic field trip, we discussed the production that took place on the home front by looking at some of the different kinds of ships that were produced and their specific roles. But how did the United States get all the materials they needed for the production of these ships? On January 10, 1942, only 1 month following the devastating attacks on Pearl Harbor, the United States launched one of its most important and memorable domestic initiatives of the war, the Salvage for Victory campaign. The campaign asked that all Americans do their part in supporting the war effort by collecting, saving, conserving, and recycling materials that could be repurposed for military use. One way students across the United States helped with this campaign was by scrapping. People turned in materials like old pots and pans or even empty canned goods so these materials could be reused for scrap metal and then transformed into ship parts. By the end of the war, millions of tons of material, including scrap metal, rope, paper, and even waste fat from stoves was collected and put to good use. Today, we do a modern version of scrapping called recycling. What are some ways you could turn your scraps into something else? What can you do to carry on the legacy of scrapping during World War II in your own community? How can you reduce and reuse materials?